Okay, so just let's copy paste the link which is already provided below. Okay, and you will be directed to this particular site over here, the sourceforge.net project. Okay, so there you will have a button called as a download option is in here. Click on the download button and it will download your the DevC++ application by default to your computer. Okay, so I have already downloaded this. I have the setup in my computer, so let's go install it. Okay. So once when you install this particular application, DevC++, this is the window which you get into. Okay, now let's see how to write a particular code in a C in this particular tool. So for that, we actually move on to this particular area, the file. Okay, so either we can go to the file or we can actually directly click on this particular icon. Okay, so what this icon does is it actually is is used to, if you go to file, new, it is actually a source file. Okay, just click on this particular source file option in here, file. So it is file, new, and then we have the source file option. Okay, so let's click on the source file option. Okay, and we will have a window like this. Alright, okay, so in this particular window we actually write our program. Okay, within this window we write our program. Okay, so let's copy paste one particular program, a simple program here. Okay, now this is in C. Okay, but the compiler doesn't know which language this has been already written. So let's change this untitled here, this untitled, into a meaningful word. Okay, so let's save this particular program. To save, we have an option like save button is in here. Okay, let's click on this and save the particular file. Okay, so I'm clicking on it and I'm writing it here as hello, and it is not a C++, right? It is not a C++. I have to go to I have to make this as C program, so let's write it as C. Okay, so I have options like this, so I will be clicking on this particular option. So I click on this and I click, you can change the locations where you want to. Right now I'm saving the same location, so let's save it. Alright, okay, now it is hello.c, it's a C file. Now let's compile and see if it is running fine or not. Okay, so for that we have again an option like here. Okay, this symbol represents it is a help you in compiling the particular program. So first stage is to compile a particular program, so that we have to identify if there is any error, if everything is syntactically right or not, right? So it have a shortcut like F9. Either you can press F9 or you will be pressing on this compile option. So we have the compile option and we have got the result in here. So this is the compile window. Okay, this shows that it has been compiled and an output file has been generated. Okay, so file.hello.exe, an executable file has been generated, and what is the size of the particular file is, okay, and how much time it took to compile. All these informations are in here, along with if we had any errors, it would have recorded the errors, or if we have any warnings, it will have recorded that too. Okay, Okay, so this window shows that the file is perfect and it has created an executable file. So to run the executable file, we again move on to the next command, that is this particular command in here. Okay, so this particular command will help you in executing the command, executing the compiled file. Okay, it is a run option. Either you can press F10 or we will click on this, and here we go. We have our output. See, we have the hello which has been written inside the printf function. Okay, the same hello has been placed in here. Okay, so the program is running fine, everything is good, so we are good to go.